Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your speaker QCY SP7. You have to start by open QCY app, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the sound at the middle top, or you can just move to the left. Then click at the customization. And now we can make something good. So let's say I wanna make this one also. No, too much. No. So let's say that's this preset is okay for me. Then you need to click save and give it a name. So save, yeah. Let's call it test. And OK. Now we have this preset right here, and if we click at the customization, we use this preset. We can also create more than one preset, so click at the customization, and let's reset it and now make something else, let's say this one. Also give it a name, so click save, let's call it test2. Now, how to swap between this customization preset? Right now, I use test2, because if I click at the customization, as you can see, we use test2. To use a first preset what we made, just click at the test, and now click at the customization. As you can see, now it changed, so now we use the first preset. And if I want to use the second one, I click on it also, and then I need to check it in the customization. Yeah, this how it works. It's not so good, but that's all what we have. Now, we can also delete this preset. So let's say you don't need test2, click at that test2, and right here we have delete button, click at this button, and we delete, and we have only one, the first preset. So if we go to the customization, as you can see, we use the second preset, so you need to click at the test. Or another preset what you made. And now we use this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!